Hey! Where are we? Hey! Hey, where are we? I'm talking to you. Where are we?
Ronald Reagan Park.
Ronald Reagan? How is a park named after a clown? No. Ronald Reagan is that president guy, right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. This is Nature Walk, part 2, because it's fun. Nature is beautiful. See, leaves. Okay, I'm bored now. I saw leaves. What else is there in nature? Okay, fine. Hey! Hey! Hey, Jackie! Hey, Jackie!
What?
Hey! Yum! Hey, excuse you. I sexually identify as a sports person. No, it's snakes. Nope.
So,
Wait, there's snake ears. There's snakes here.
Yeah, look at these ants.
What?
Jack, look at these ants.
Ah, bears! A bear! A bear! See, that's why you gotta be careful in nature. That's why I hate nature. Leaves. Whoa, that's so cool. Oh, it's wood. Okay. Each species of tree has different bark. The bark covers, and I don't care. Hello.
hi.
What else are you supposed to do here?
Can you step on these?
My name is Jack, and let me see. Whoa! I almost fell. Hey, you're cheating! You're cheating! Hey! You can't cheat. Ow! Excuse you, Leaf. That leaf wants to fight me. That leaf wants to fight.
Okay, that looks like summer camp crap, so let's turn it around this way.
Well, how do you know I don't want to do boring nature summer camps? Hey! Hey, can we come in there? Hey! No. Okay, we can't come. What do you want, Jackie? Fine. Where are we going now? Oh, I know. Follow me. I know where to go. Shut up, I know where to go. Come on, follow me. Hey, I'm singing. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, it's a bear cave. It's a bear cave. I want to go in the bear cave. Roar! I'm a bear. Out of my way. Roar! Roar! Out of my cave.
Now we're taking pictures.
Don't be taking a picture of me.
Yes.
See what I mean? Nature's bored. I even had to cut. Hi.
Come over here.
Why?
Is it really?
What?
Really?
Yeah, if you look,
Oh, we gotta go check it out.
Yeah,
Whoa.
let's check it out.
look out into the water at the rocks. He's up on the rocks Sunday.
I don't want to get killed by a bear.
See snakes?
No,
Yeah.
no,
Take a picture.
I'm scared of bears.
Nene.
I'm scared of bears.
Yeah, let's go take a picture of it. Come on.
And then they say, ah!
No, I'm scared of bears. I don't want to see a bear. No, shut up. I don't want to see a bear.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no. Wait, did you say snake? It's pronounced danger noodle. It's a danger noodle. Stupid. Ah, bug. Ah, bug. Ah, ah.
Alright, let's look
Stupid
for
bugs.
the snake
Da, 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 da,
in the
da, da.
water.
On the rock. She said on the rock.
On a rock.
On a rock. Also, but it might be in the rock too.
What?
Do you see it? I don't see no snake. That was weird. Okay, hey! Hey! Guys! Hey, guys! Hey! There's some wildlife you should be... there's a sign that says all the wildlife here. Let's look at it. Ready? Okay, so... these are all the wildlife here. Okay? We have a whale, a bear, another species of bear with claws, and that bear with a tail. Ah, that's scary.
I don't know if it's a snake or a lizard.
There's bears here.
See?
What?
There's something with a head sticking out.
Where?
What is that thing?
Where?
Right there. Is that a leaf? What?
What are you gonna do?
That's just a leaf.
That's a leaf. Okay.
I see no snake.
Yeah, I see no.
Snake out on that rock.
How do we keep missing it? What else was that?
There's,
Right there in that rock in the sun. See him?
Oh, there.
Just moved.
Oh!
ah, bear.
Now it's moving.
That's the cool.
That's a weird bear.
Whoa, he's cool. They're fat.
Yeah, I was just looking at there's a pile of rocks up there. I was looking. There's 3 of them in there.
Oh, really?
Oh.
We totally missed it. Came by.
That's
someone
weird.
else told us about it. We came back and couldn't find it.
That's the lady just told me about it.
I was like, what? I could get my eyes checked again. He's gone now, though. He went in the...
Yeah.
Go over there.
No,
sneak.
no, it's a bear. Or is it? Wait, no, is it a danger noodle or a bear?
Oh, my God.
That's what a snake.
Yeah, we
But
saw it.
there's more snakes over here. See, look. They have bears with claws here.
Water.
See that? Bears with claws. You gotta be careful because I don't want to get killed by a bear with claws.
Oh, God.
Shut up.
What the heck?
Shut up.
Shoot me.
You shut up.
Shoot
Da
me.
da 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 da.
Let me leave.
No, I was walking in there.
There's something moving around in there.
Where? Ah, bear. It's probably a bear with claws. It's probably the bear with claws. Run! The bear with claws is gonna get us. Run! Run! Okay, well done. Well, nature's boring again. Shut up! Okay, nature just got boring now. Okay. Go away now.